back to my YouTube channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. We have sea moss to make today. This is what I'll be doing. This is how the sea moss look like. They're very dry. You can use tap water for this. I'm just going to soak it and put it in the fridge for at least 12 hours. Okay, I just want the water to kind of cover it. I will put it like this in the fridge till tomorrow. I'm new to these sea moss. I actually know about it from a friend, so I tasted it there. It was very not tasty. It's just kind of cornstarch without no sugar, that kind of taste, but not biting and all that. So I also already showed the part where I opened the pack and then soaked it and put it for fridge for a while now. It was supposed to be 36 hours in the fridge because I don't want to boil it. I just want to do it fresh. So yeah, today I'm making it today, just going to grind it today. So let's see how the sea moss turn to after grinding. Let's see. So I don't think just take it full. And then remember when we soaked it, we didn't soak it with the tap water. We actually use bottled water. So we are still continuing with the bottled water to grind it. So the water I used to soak it, I also trashed that water and I put another new water inside the bowl. Raise it before grinding it. So yeah. See, it's like this now after grinding for like 3 minutes. Still like this. I was expecting it to be smooth immediately, so it's not that kind of easy to grind thing. So not like every other things you need to grind. Be patient. Just the same way you spend long time on the fridge. So yeah, I'll continue until it's smooth. Okay, was using the big blender to blend it, but at the end it was not smooth the way I want, so I transferred them to the small blender. We doing it small, so then they all come out well. So you can see it's smoother like this, and I prefer using this one to grind it. So when I'm making next time, the little bag I buy, I will be using a half of it also. This I'm sharing this one with some my friend. Keep washing your hands. Remember how many times you change whatever you are doing, that's the times you wash your hands. So you really need to do that. At this point, I will be I can't take it just like this. You need just one thin spoon like this, and I will not be able to just direct this like this to my mouth because of the taste. So I will just put it inside this little yogurt, and I will mix it around so the yogurt can help me swallow it. I am not that kind of person who eats sweet things, but I don't also like a strange taste in my mouth too, because it's healthy, right? So you're looking for a way to do many things. Not so bad anyway. So I think I have solution to it with yogurt. That's the solution. You can also use it with smoothie too. But I'm not ready to drink smoothie this night. So yeah, yogurt is better for me. Thank you once again. I appreciate you all. For those of you who never subscribe, you keep coming back. I appreciate you. Please just click the subscribe button, like and share. For the ones that already subscribe, please share also, like. God will bless you guys all as you do that. I will not be able to explain everything that sea moss do. You have a lot of health benefit, and a lot of minerals on it. And then if you still overtake it, like overdose, take it too much, excess, you still have side effect of it. Please, if you would, you want to try, this teaspoon is enough for a day. Yeah, that's what I see. See you next week. Thank you. Bye.